How to fix error unknown app block due to auto blocker on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So here when I try to install, I get this error. Okay, so to fix that, we swipe down at the top and tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Next, go down and tap on auto blocker. You can turn off auto blocker from here. Then now go back to your application and install the APK file or install the app and tap on the install button. This time you can see I don't have any issues with installing the app. And that's it. That's how you can fix the error or fix the problem when you're trying to install the APK file and it is blocking. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.